What is this?
What is what?
This hunk of junk I got in my hand.
Oh, we do have 4 of these. Alright, cool. Problem solved.
So we're rebuilding the Sbach. Right?
Hmm?
Rebuilding the Sbach?
Mm-hmm.
You're build mode, aren't you?
Yeah.
Alright. Sorry guys, he don't want to talk to you right now.
I'm trying to get this shit done for you.
Yes, he is the airplane guy, and I am the helicopter guy, so that's why he's here. He drove over to show me how to do this, because he's the airplane guy.
You done fucking around. Can you put that on YouTube?
It will be, it will be. One thing that is necessary for doing all of this is
That.
a Miller Lite! Alright, so we're done farting around. Just want to show you guys that yes, we are rebuilding it. Keep checking. We're going to have, hold on, let me show you guys some real quick. We have a lot more video. Ooh, what does that go to, huh? That might go to... Is that scale exhaust on a P51 Voodoo Racer? FPV setup stuff. Little Kabarooski. We got some fuel. There's the Sbach. Got that. Little Helimax thingy. What do we got over here? Ooh, Miller Lite, of course. This whole segment sponsored by Miller Lite. Got this thing. Not used. We got a T-Rex 700 Nitro there that you guys will see up in the air soon. What is this little extra 300 that we're about to fly? There's another Sbach back there. And then, whoa! There's the... This is why this is called HeliView Aerial. I actually... Well, we do have a business doing this. Which has been very fruitful. And we are very professional. We just do not like to... make this YouTube channel and my business two of them the same. So we have T-Rex 600 DFC Pro, and then we have, what is this? DFC 600. What is this? What is this? What is this? 550. Stay tuned for that mini fridge. Supplies. Robart air retracts. Goodbye.